Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1336, and today's topic is stop living in your past emotions because it can damage or harm your body and mind. So we have to understand the meaning of emotion. As I have already told you that our health, well-being, good personality is having two type of health. One is called your mental health, other one is called physical health. So here in the case of mental health, it is very complex, where thinking is there, thought process is there, imagination is there, dreaming is there, emotion is there. All are in the form of electrical impulse, in the form of wave, where your electrons which are released, they are converted in the form of wave, in the form of electromagnetic radiation, in the form of electrical impulses, and how they are going to impact your whole body. So your mind is different. Your brain is that's fatty mass of 800 to 900 gram, that is 2% of your body weight. So when I am talking of emotion, I am talking of your mind. And now there are a lot of publications where it is indicated. I have gone through a lot of publications how you are living with your emotion is going to damage your body, your overall health, as well as your mental health also. So what is that is the meaning of living with past emotion? Sometimes what happened maybe 10 years, 20 years back ago to you, maybe in your childhood, or maybe when you were in teenage, 18 year, 20 year old, still you are carrying in your mind in the form of emotion. And that emotion, your body has nothing to do because it is past. You cannot regain, you cannot get it back. It is only reference. You can give reference that, okay, 2010 this thing happened, in 2005 that incident happened, some bad experience, some good experience with your emotion. But still if it is coming and you are living with your past emotion, you are killing yourself. You are destroying your well-being, your health, mental as well as physical health. That's why it is very important to get rid of such type of emotions, and you should not allow such emotion to exist in your mind, and you are living every day with those old bad emotions. And once you are living in your past emotions, it becomes part of your life. Just like that, those emotions are having today the same impact what it happened 20 years or 10 years ago. First thing is that you will be always under stress, mental tension, and stress means your hormone will be disturbed, and your bad hormone, that is called cortisol, will be released more and more, and it will disturb you. Secondly, you will be having under inflammation. Any stress, any bad thing, what is happening mentally is going to put you on inflammation. Inflammation is the mother of lot of diseases: cardiovascular disease, diabetes, thyroid problem, BP problem, stroke, a lot. So once you are living in your past emotion, means you are putting your body under stress, strain, inflammation, and also there will be damage to your cell, your chromosome and DNA, genetic material, because your all chromosomes, which are known as material for DNA to transfer your genetic code, it has some tip. I will show you the image. That will become short. So it will affect your aging process. And also overall, it will impact your personality. You will be always in confusion, in depression. And sometimes it happens that your relationship with your parents, with your friends, with your wife and husband can be deteriorated, because you are always under stress, strain. You are always under, that is, with those bad emotions of fear, of guilt, of shame. That is called mental noise. And that mental noise will always keep you under stress. So first thing is that how to reduce such condition. You have to change your thinking process. Whatever guilt, whatever remains, whatever tension is coming to your mind, please get released from all these emotions. And also you have to go to nature, means go to some mountain side or some forest side and sit some time with those peaceful mind and mindfulness, so that it will be released. Also you get indulged in some social activities, some your good hobby which you like it, so that your mind is diverted and you have some creativity. That will help you. And also if it is very much alarming, then you have to consult your doctor who is good in mental health, your good relations, so that once you are connected with them, it will be drastically reduced. Otherwise, if you are going on living with your past emotion, bad emotions, negative emotions, definitely your physical health and mental health will be deteriorated. So I am just going to show you two image. This is very clear image that someone is living with his past emotions, and that's why he's in total stress. He is having the feeling of depression, feeling of guilt, feeling of shame, and lot of strain, lot of tension, blood pressure is high, and inflammation is there. So that's why all indications are there. That is called the side effect or negative impact once you are living in your past emotions, which is already past, is only reference. Is very common among husband, wife, or even with friends or relatives, that those who are suffering from living in past emotion, that is called also living in overthinking, lot of imagination of past, so they are always tired, and even if they are sitting together, they are turning their faces left and right. They are not comfortable, they are not happy, they are not relaxed, because they became the victim. They are in the jail of their own emotion, negative emotion, and that negative emotion has nothing to do with today. It is all past. It has gone. It will never come back. But still they are suffering from those emotions, that is past emotion, which they are still keeping, and they are living with that. This is red cap is known as telomere. Telomere is a type of, just like plastic capping to our chromosome, is very important. Nowadays there are hundreds of research publications are coming, because once it is damaged, That is your plastic type of red capping to your chromosome. Oh, your aging will become very fast. So now they are trying how to protect this cap of our chromosome. Once it is well protected, your chromosome will be intact and there will not be shortening of your chromosome and you will be having longevity. So once you are having such past living emotion, with that emotion if you are living, your these chromosome caps will be damaged, will be broken, and your chromosomes will become short, and it will impact your aging process very quickly. You will start aging. So as usual, I have written in the form of summary the bad impact of living in past emotions. Number one, living in the past emotion and holding on to negative emotions can indeed harm our body and mind both. There are lots of research publications indicating that our body does not know the emotional feeling. So lot of publications are there. I have gone through it, and they are indicating that whatever our past emotion today at present our bodies has nothing to do with that. They are not having any impact unless we are living with that feeling. So emotional feeling of past, whether it is coming from physical experience or thought process, is this these three lines they are from publications. Number two, the body's response to past means 10 to 20 years past experience of negative emotion, and we are living with that. When we dwell on past emotions, dwell means you are swimming with your past emotions. You are sitting very sad. You have seen the photograph, the image. You are sad. You are not talking with the people, your wife, your relations. If they are all suffering from that is living with past emotions, they are all having serious problem of mental health and physical health. Our body responds as if the event like guilt, fear, shame, revenge, all these I call it mental noise. And once we are suffering from this emotional mental noise, it is going to affect your whole body and mind. Is still happening, and these negative emotions become our state of being. All these negative emotions, once they are always, you are living with those emotions, they become part of your life. That is what I call it our state of being. And we start living with, and it can lead to harm our body. A. Chronic stress. Body's stress response is triggered releasing cortisol and other hormones that can disrupt immune system. That is very serious issue, because immune system is the mother of lot of diseases, most of the diseases like digestion, gut health, and normal sleep, all will be disturbed. B. Body inflammation. Once you are living with your past emotions of fear, guilt, shame, revenge, or you are under chronic inflammation. Even you are not knowing, but you have that inflammation, and it means you are facing serious physical and mental health problem, including stroke, arthritis, blood pressure, and depression, anxiety, all are related to that. The living with the negative emotions can cause chronic inflammation, and which is the mother of various diseases like arthritis, diabetes, thyroid, high blood pressure, and cardiovascular problem. See, cellular damage. Serious cellular damage is there, and where I have already mentioned and you have seen the image, that is called telomeres. Telomere is a protective cap of DNA molecule. Those who are dealing with genetic biochemistry or biology, they know the cap of chromosome, which is keeping well protected, and it will not allow the chromosome to become short. And once your chromosomes are becoming short because of the damage of your that cap, DNA cap, you will be having very fast aging process. And today, hundreds of publications are coming how to protect that cap of DNA so that we can go very well up to the age of 100 or 200 years. So still protein chemists, biologists, they are working on this. So that protective cap will be damaged on our chromosomes and can be shortened due to the negative past emotions, causing stress, leading to premature aging and premature death. Number 3, how to overcome past emotions. Please don't live with all those emotions. How to overcome? First, accept it. That's all. Accept it and boldly take it as a challenge, and just allow. You should not have such type of any emotional feeling of past. That is called acceptance. And then number 2, release the need for revenge. Keep your mind free from revenge. That is called forgiveness. And in our religion, Islam, there is a big reward of forgiveness. If you have that, you have mastered your brain of forgiveness, and you are not keeping lot of negative emotion for revenge, for enmity, you will be okay. So that is other factor. Then third is practice self-compassion. Self-compassion means self-kindness and self-patience. Be patient. Don't be always in hurry and in emotional stress. Be patient, be compassionate, and kindness. Then number 4 is reframe the past experience. Always reframe, restructure your past 10-year, 20-year experiences, emotional experience, bad experience, and take it as a challenge of the past negative emotions. So here I have given some of the techniques. If we follow these techniques, we can get released from living with past negative emotions. So these techniques are: number 1, write down your thoughts. It will release your feelings. That's why I always encourage writing. I am always writing, and I encourage everybody to write. And writing will release lot of your emotion, negative emotion, and also it will help you to improve your memory and cognitive property of your memory. That's why nowadays with electronic reading and everything electronic, and even children, young generation, they are not using biro and pen. No, it's wrong. Encourage them to write every day at least 2-3 pages, and also encourage them to read printed material, not electronic material. So that will release your feelings. Number 2, emotional exercise. There is emotional exercise. You can hear some very good music, very good sound, some lot of other liking instruments, guitar, and so many other type of waves are there, which you may like, which will activate your mental wave. That is called your emotional exercise, and it will release your lot of stored negative emotions. Your emotions are stored, just like bad stored rubbish is there. You have to release them and throw them away. That's all. Bad emotions. Don't live with your 10-year, 20-year-old bad and negative emotions. Delete it. Number 3, creative expression. Engage in creative activities like learning some new thing, new skills, go to some social activities, political activities where you are interacting with different type of people, sharing their emotions, their love. That will help a lot. This is another technique. And number 4, nature therapy. Sometimes you spend time in good park, in forest, thick forest, or sometimes maybe some good river or ocean side, sea beaches. That will make you relaxed and it will release your living with past emotions. And remember that overcoming past emotions is time consuming. You have to be disciplined, you have to be patient, and one more thing, you are not the only one who became the victim of living with past emotions. In past emotions, there are millions. You are not only one. Millions who are suffering from such type of, that is called living in past emotions, and their health, mind, body, all are under stress and they are diseased, they are destroyed. So please stop living in your past emotions. Get released from such type of negative stored emotions which is killing your mental health and physical health. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.